Enter the product code you want to look for in an empty cell. In another cell, type the formula. Select the cell with the product code in it. Type a comma, then select the cells containing the product codes. Type a comma, then select the cells containing the prices. Close the parenthesis and press Enter. XLOOKUP will return the price of the product with the matching product code. Select the cell where you want your result to appear, then type the formula. Enter your first condition, such as B2 is greater than 89. Type a comma and enter the output if this condition is true, such as A. Type a comma and add your second condition. Continue to add as many conditions as you need. For the final condition, instead of inserting a formula that covers all other values, such as B2 is less than 50, you can instead just enter true. This final condition will only be triggered as being true if none of the prior conditions have been triggered first. After that, enter the output you want if none of the other conditions are true. Close the parenthesis, then press Enter, and your formula should calculate. You can then apply the formula to any other cells as necessary. Select a cell where you want your COUNTIF result to appear, and type the formula. Select the range of cells containing the data you want to count. Enter a condition. For example, if you only want to count numbers above 100, type greater than 100 as the condition. To search for specific text, enter the text you want to count in quotes. The count based on your condition will appear. You can use SUMIF in a similar way to COUNTIF, to sum all of the values that meet your condition from a column of data. Select the cell where you want your sum to appear, and type the formula. Select the cells where your product names are found. Type a comma and enter your condition. To find specific text, type it in quotes, such as caret, or select any cell containing that text. To add a sum range, type a comma and select the cells that contain the values you want to sum. Close the parenthesis and press Enter. And your sum is calculated.